I told Khaled, I'm gonna let you and Rihanna do it. From that guy, I'm a refugee from Guantanamo Bay. Take it long, okay? Yo, listen, this is what's up. I told him to stop the record and he fucked up. It don't matter why, Clef, this is how I do this. I came to represent, this is show business. Trust me, man, I'm the MC, supercar rooms, and that's Miami. Roy was really good, I represent the hood. My name is Wyclef and we do this all good, yeah. Take it low, I bring the drama. My crew over there, Santo Domingo, Colombia. Y'all know I be that MC. We flip the English to the Spanish like, mira amiga, buenos días señorita, ¿cómo está usted y su familia? Estoy yendo bien en el micrófono, espero que todos están bien como yo. Yeah, in the place well known, Clef getting busy on the microphone. Trust me, y'all, I bring the drama, yo. In China, they say ni ho ma, yo. Trust me, man, I'm the MC. Some heard Fuji's, thought I was Japanese. Ichi ni samchi, go no go shichi hachi. She looked at me, I said, I'm not Japanese. Wyclef Jean, I bring the drama. My eyes stay closed cause I smoke marijuana. Trust me, man, I be the pro. After this, I'ma ride the Enzo. From the Enzo, hit the McLaren. Take off like my name was Hamilton. Trust me, it's a freestyle session. I used to rock dreadlocks, no extension. Trust me, I'm the microphone pro. And Elo look good with the afro. Freestyle, no time to blink. Pretty girl and she chilling with the pink. Trust me, man, the whole thing a dream. Look at her friend and she chilling with the green. Put your hands up, everybody hands up. 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 Tell me who's in the house tonight. 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 Sakafet, IET. Sakafet, y'all can rock, let's go.
Don't find you and take it slow.
Let's go, y'all.
Ready or not, here I come.
Uh-huh.
You can't hide.
Yeah, shout out to the whole Fuji gang.
Find you and make you
90s vibe, yo. Now that I escape, sleep, walk away. Those who could relate know the world ain't cake. Gel bars and golden gates. Those who fake, they break when they beat their 400 pounds. If I could rule the world, everyone would have a gun. In the ghetto, of course, when Kitty up and on their horse, yo. I kick around drinking moonshine. I pour a sip on the concrete with the deceased, but no, don't we? Wyclef said to stay asleep, think about the robbery that I did last week. Money in the bag, make her look like a drag. I wanna play with pelicans from here to Baghdad. Gun blasting fans, I think I'm hit. My girl pinched my hips to see if I still exist. I think not. I'll send a letter to my friends. I'm born again. Everybody sing along like. Uh-huh.
Here I come. You can't hide.
You can't hide, I'm gonna find you.
And take it
What's good, young chef?
Ready or not, here I come.
Here I come. You can't hide. Let's go, I'm gonna. This ain't nothing but a block party. Can I kick a freestyle? Can I go off the top? Can we rock in the roll like Wyclef in the building? Yeah, trust me, man, I'm a phenomenon. That's Elo, we came for F1. Trust me, man, it's irrelevant. How can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is how I look for. Last hook, make it count, last hook, make it count. Next up. Make it count, make it count. There you go.
the rules, never lose. Never choose to, bruise through to, do something to us. Talk goes through us. To us, wanna do us, screw us, who us? Yeah, Papa and Pump. Close like Starsky and Hutch, stick to clutch. Yeah, I squeeze free at your cherry M3. Bang every MC easily. Take it. Recently, this friend ain't saying nothing, so I just speak my peace. Keep my peace. Humans with the Jesus peace. With my peace. After.
California, hey, hanging out with us. Right here, Super Rooms, Miami. Another one for the LA crew. On, let's find.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize it's not nothing. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. Well, I never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. He be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies popping lying and talking. I really hate the trip, but I gotta go. And they go, I see myself in a different